My name is Ryan Vaughn, and I am a producer on The Sims 4.
So, what is a lead producer on video games?
That is a good question. The producer is a really special person, a part of a big team that all makes this game together. And a producer is a part project manager, part designer, but most importantly, the producer is an advocate for the player. A producer is in charge of making sure the game that is being made is a game that players are going to have fun playing. So it's everything from making sure that the game gets done in time to making sure that all the pieces are coming together to make it a fun, special game for players.
The Sims are 14 years old. So
Yep.
those are teenagers now.
Right?
Yeah. So how do you make from renewing the license today? Because in the first version there was a lot of additional content that people had built and used during the different years. But how can we renew this kind of IP when we're talking about a monument like The Sims?
Yeah, that's a great question. When The Sims was first launched back in 2000, it was started more of a build your own kind of house game, and The Sims were just these characters that moved around. And as people started playing it and more people gravitated, we really quickly found out that this game is about those people, and not only the relationships they have, but the interactions that they choose to perform and the things that they do in the game. And as the franchise has evolved, and now that we've got up to The Sims 4, we've just decided to focus back on those Sims, because they are the point of the game which people relate to, the relationships and the emotions and the really special life moments. They're really the key of this franchise, because that's how people relate to this game. It is a life simulation.
About emotion, new editor tools, can you explain how it works?
Absolutely. So emotion and the control that you have over it as a player not only changes the way the Sims feel in the game, but it also gives you a brand new way to play the game. So the way your Sim is feeling, it's gonna provide a unique set of interactions to you as the player that you wouldn't have if the Sim was feeling a different way. So you, the player, have the ability to control how your Sim is feeling by doing different interactions, which then give you a whole set of new interactions to play with. So if your Sim is feeling flirty, they're gonna be able to go out and flirt with other Sims faster, or go in for the kiss or make out with other Sims because they're feeling flirty. A Sim that's feeling confident is going to be able to excel at the job or excel at skills because they're feeling that way, and they'll have a whole set of unique interactions tied directly to the way they're feeling. So your Sim's emotion changes the way they feel and the way they kind of look on screen, but it also changes the way you play because it gives you that set of different options available to you. And one of the best things about The Sims is it is a life simulation game. So you can play it and make your friends and your family, but you can also do things in the game that you might not do in real life, like kill your neighbors or talk badly about your mom or something like that. So it's a lot of fun.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Peggy 12. Bienvenue dans un monde rempli de Sims exceptionnels, plus intelligents et avec plus de caractère, qui se croisent et interagissent chaque jour. À vous de les créer et de les contrôler. À vous de raconter leurs histoires. Voici l'histoire d'Oli Pourdoux, un artiste sans le sou et sans muse. Déprimé, Oli passait ses journées seul et ses nuits à chercher l'inspiration. Il ne riait pas et il ne dansait pas. Babs l'amour, une barmaid avec beaucoup de rêves. Romantique, elle était constamment en quête du grand amour, jusqu'au jour où elle rencontra la bonne personne, Oli Pourdoux. Oli craqua pour sa façon de manier les mots, et Babs se sentit inspirée par la maîtrise technique du peintre. La jeune romancière commença à écrire sa propre histoire. L'histoire de Babs l'amour et d'Oli Pourdoux. Ayant trouvé sa muse, Oli devint riche, en créant des œuvres si profondes qu'elles touchaient tout le monde. Babs termina son roman, mais son histoire avec Oli ne fait que commencer. Ils sont amis, ils sont une famille, ils sont voisins. Voici vos tout nouveaux Sims. Créez leurs histoires et jouez avec leur vie comme jamais auparavant.